This is part 9 recording of the inheritance soft series, where I will focus on copy constructor. I will make you practice how to create and code a copy constructor for the derived class in inheritance. This function is necessary when your class has a resource or data resource in dynamic memory space and you want to create a new object by copying the data from existing object. I am using this code, which is the code I have been actually building up from, I think, part 5's recording, starting from part 5 recording and 6. In the part 5 recording, I created this animal class with default constructor, custom constructor, copy constructor, copy assignment operator, and this insertion operator and destructor, and also free helper operator. In part 6, I created this dog class and I talked about the default constructor and the destructor. And in part 7, I talked about the custom constructor. I added this part. And in part 8, in the same part 7, I also added this function for displaying the data, insertion operator, and this free helper operator. And in part 8, I did talk about the copy assignment operator for derived class. If you want to know about this, go back and watch those videos. Today I will only focus on copy constructor. So copy constructor is necessary when you want to create a new object. Not unlike in this copy assignment, you need to have a object, pre-existing object, to which you want to set to the another existing object. So in this case, a copy assignment operator will be invoked. For the copy constructor, we're going to have a situation like this: dog dg2, and either you pass in put the object you want to copy from, let's say dg, in the parenthesis, or you do equate, you put like this. In both cases, it is going to be the copy constructor that is going to be invoked. So to enable this statement as a legal or valid statement, we want to put logic, copy constructor and its logic. I'm going to be putting copy constructor here. The syntax is let me go ahead and copy the copy constructor of the base class and make changes to it. So instead of animal, we are going to have a dog here, and parameter is also of type dog. I think this should be sufficient in this case, because this parameter is dog and current object is dog. It will go ahead and call this copy assignment operator. But if you don't, if you have not implemented copy assignment operator, then you can call like this. In that case, you may want to have you don't need to release the memory, but you can just put this code over there. So put this code. First you set the object to the default state through these statements. Then after that, you do validation of the source data, incoming data. Maybe call this dg. You do validation and then you copy this into, I mean, this is static memory, and you create a dynamic memory and copy the number of bytes into it. So but this is not the preferred way, because this will amount to repetition of the code. You want to you are expected to minimize the size of the program, and if there is any repeated code, then it is always good idea to, I mean, either minimize that repetition. So one way of doing that minimization is just call this copy assignment operator instead of putting entire code here. Right, so this is one way of doing that, or another way of doing minimizing this repetition is put this entire logic in some function. Maybe you can have some private function set and pass const character pointer let me call this bits and int p size, and we are going to have bytes and p size, and number of bytes, and then copy from. You have this kind of function, and then you call this function from both places. Right, so I hope the logic is okay now. Default then bytes, p size, and size is p size, and number of bytes equals to size. Yeah, it should be okay. And I can call this function from here and pass let's say src dot, I think it's no, it's not src, it should be dg, dg dot number of bytes and dg dot size. And you can do the same thing, copy this here, set dg dot number of bytes, dg dot size. So this is another way of minimizing repetition of the code, because the code that is placed here and here is actually put in a function called set, and you call that function from here. So let us see whether this works or not. I think there is a problem. dg number of bytes name equals not btr is private. Line 96. Oh, yeah, I cannot do this. I should be doing this for another thing. Number of bytes. Okay, and another error. And another problem here is, let me show you the error. So another problem here is you can convert this to constant character pointer, right? So it should be constant integer pointer. Yeah. Okay. So another issue we have here is, yeah, here this is the things, the data is going to be integer type, so we want to have integer type here. Let's try again. Now gone error. Now looks like it is working. Right, this was a copy constructed version from this object. So this is all I have to talk about the copy constructor. Thank you for watching this video.